Okay, so in this video, we're going to just simply show how to reorient ourselves after doing a total station setup on a arbitrary backsight with fictitious azimuth. And now we want to actually use a real orientation value. So we go menu, we go Kogo, and we go adjust. Now previously, we had the transformation button as the primary way of doing rotate, scale, and translate. However, this will break those points and you lose your raw data. So therefore, the method is as follows. Menu, Kogo, adjust, fixed station setup. You're going to tap on 5 to do the station setup. And then if you're going to do an angular rotation, then you can do reorient station setup. This will give you two options. You can use a backsight, new backsight azimuth, or you can use entered rotational value. So I'm going to simply enter 10. And what you see is you see the new position of where it will go, hit apply, and then it actually confirms that it's going to actually go to that location. Now I'm going to do a more exaggerated value so that it's obvious to the naked eye. So hit apply, see it says where the line is going to go, then those points also now shift, but it hasn't moved yet. Tap confirm, and now that we tap confirm, you see those points have moved. Now, the symbology shows that we have not lost the raw data, it's still there, and it made a note in the file that we've actually made a rotation, right? So that is how to actually go ahead and do a reorienting. Now, if we wanted to shift this value by a certain delta or maybe points, we can also go to the adjust, fixed station, pick 5, and then do a translate that shifts it to a specific location. So we could have that shift. So let's say, for example, we could shift by this distance. So we could go from 2 to 4. I'm just grabbing the distance to use, 2 to 4, and it will move 5 over by that amount. Calc, you can see the position where it's going to be. Hit apply, and you can see where everything is, and then you can hit confirm. And that's how simple it is to go ahead and do an adjustment to the station setup without actually compromising the raw data. And you're able to still continue serving with the raw data that you previously captured.